got it, Will. Down to 12 in baseball. What's up, brother Craig? These are our teams. If they're in a Major League Baseball uniform, it's a no-brainer. It goes to that. Or Major League Baseball. I was stuck doing baseball last night. If they're in an NFL uniform, it's a no-brainer. It goes to the NFL team. If they're in a college uniform, which there will be some stuff in a college uniform. If they're in a college uniform and they're a current player, it'll go to the team they're on right now. If they're a retired player, it'll go to the team they played most seasons with. If they played for two teams the same number of seasons, the tiebreakers, total games played. Will, I got your baseball spot. Thank you. Hey, how you doing, Paul? Multiplayer cards, you got to own 50% more. That's 2 of a 3-way, 2 of a 4-way, 3 of a 6-way, 4 of an 8-way. Otherwise, it goes to the randomizer. And if we get any points or non-football cards, it'll be random to everybody in the break. We're going to do unparalleled, all 3 boxes first. Then we'll probably rotate back and forth with the others. If you guys want in baseball, just let me know. I'll get you on the list. I have it right here beside me. Hopefully we'll be in single digits for the baseball by the time we are done with the football break. This will be the longest part of the break. G.I. Budman. Let me see who you got. Oh. You got the Giants, G.I. Budman. The Giants. That's better than a kick in the teeth. If you guys are having trouble with breakers, right below the main feed, the link for my YouTube. I am live on YouTube also. Box number 1. We're going to do all these unparalleled at one time. That way, once we get started, it'll really start to roll. And we'll do a mini for the baseball and get that rolling. And that's all I'm doing tonight is the 50-50 baseball. It's going to have 3 boxes from a fresh case of 2000. Well, we opened the case at the card shop, so I shouldn't say it that way. We did open a fresh case at the card shop. I picked out 3 from each case. Last time we did that, we had 2 Mike Trouts, 1 from each series. That was very nice for the Angels. Maybe this time we'll have 2 Bryce Harpers or something like that. You never know. Almost ready to break. After I get these done, this will be a pretty quick break. Everything else is single pack stuff. They might even go the same way. Can't believe they can't put stuff going the same way. All right. Now we're ready to rumble. Here we go, unparalleled. AJ Green to 200. Stephen Anderson to 150. Jordan Howard to 200. J Dot for the Pack Attack. Joey gets a J Dot. Lavon Coleman, 200. For the Chargers, Justin Jackson. That's Mr. Greg. And the Chargers, Michael Gallup. Not numbered. This one should be then. Teddy Bridgewater to 150. Should be at least one more hit, I think. Jarrett McKinnon, not numbered. That means Christian McCaffrey is numbered to 200. Rookie Focus, Josh Allen. Not numbered. Dummy card, Rex Burkhead to 200. Alex Erickson to 100. I don't know which one of those, which of that stuff is short printed and not, so I'm just been shipping it all. All right, box number 2, unparalleled. Stephon Diggs to 200. Jaleel Scott for those sneaky Ravens. Not numbered. Mike Hall. Not numbered, so this one is. Robbie Anderson to 100. Von Miller to 100. Denzel Ward. Not numbered. Duke Dawson for the Patriots to 200. I think that's the I can't say that guy's name. To 75 impact. Deshaun Watson for the Texans. Not numbered jersey. Star Factor Todd Gurley, not numbered. Mike White, not numbered. Josh Allen to 150. High Flyers, Cooper Kupp to 200. Royce Freeman for the Broncos, not numbered RPA. That should be it for this box hit-wise. Jared Goff to 200. And Royce. Broncos fans seem to like that Royce Freeman for some reason. All right, last box of Unparalleled, then we'll get to the single pack boxes. Michael Thomas to 200. Fletcher Cox to 200. Sorrell Grayson to 100. Oh, doubling up with the Broncos. Bradley Chubb, not numbered RPA. Gronkowski, not numbered. Dummy card. Tanner Lee to 100. Oh, we got some points. 900. Chris Boswell to 150. 900 points. Random to everybody. Alden Tate to 75. Corey Lindsey, 200. Lamar Jackson, 200. DJ Moore, not numbered rookie. Relic. So we got 900 points. That's a pretty high point value. Probably would have been a pretty good autograph. All right, now we're into... We'll go back and forth, Origins and Elements. We'll go back and forth with Origins and Elements. And we'll finish with iMac and the jersey. I hate when they do that. To 175, Von Miller. To 299, Cam Newton. Base. Going this way for the sneaky Ravens. Lamar Jackson. 10 of 75. We got a Deer Value Collector. Broncos on fire. Another Royce Freeman. Not numbered Royce Freeman auto. And rookie jumbo patch autographs. Card 115. DJ Chark for the Jaguars. The Wheel God. DJ Chark for the Jaguars. Somebody type in the main chat in on Breakers. Elements. Empty box. I don't think anybody's in the chat in Breakers hardly. Alright, we got Cam on top. Cam Newton, 40 of 75. Kenny's here. Calvin Ridley, radioactive rookies to 125 for the Falcons. Radioactive. Neon for the Cardinals, 27 of 50. Aeneas Williams, Hall of Famer for the Cardinals. No cry babies. What's up, my brother Craig? And Mark Walton, gold medal, 45 of 50. Need to get some 75s for those. Back to Origins. This one's a little thicker than the other. Got a base. Marlon Mack to 175. Jordan Howard to 299. Another base. 24 of 75. Darius Grice. Darius Grice for the Redskins. One color patch. Off the back, 40 of 49, Kalen Baldage for the Dolphins. And going this way, 23 of 49, Baker Mayfield. Two color patch to 49. Baker Mayfield for the Browns. Joey. There you go, Joey. It's a nice one. It's a little white corner on the there, but still nice. Elements. Molten metal moments or melted moments. Whatever. 22 of 25. Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys, baby. This is completely backwards. Card. Kerryon Johnson for the Lions. Radioactive rookie to 125. Oh, nice. 2 of 25. Lamar Jackson for those sneaky Ravens. Ramo. Another first-round quarterback. That's two first-round quarterbacks. And our medal, Ito Smith for the Falcons. Ito Smith for the Falcons. 50 of 199. Origins. See if they have these going the right way. They do. They do. They do. Got a base. 175 Earl Thomas. 299 Jarvis Landry. Another base. Two-color patch for the Pittsburgh Super Steelers, Mason Rudolph. Amy Sue. $73 of 99 for the Bungles, Mark Walton. And going this way. Wow, the Broncos are having a break. Bradley Chubb, three-color patch. No cry babies. Two Bradley Chubbs and two the other guy. I can't think of his name now. Last box of elements. Dang it. I have them going the wrong way. Alright, go like that. Big Ben Roethlisberger for the Pittsburgh Super Steelers, 24 of 75. Also for the Steelers, Mason Rudolph to 99, 18 of 99. Xenon rookie. Jeez, another Royce Freeman. Royce Freeman, 290 of 350. Royce Freeman's hands must be tired as all the signing he's doing. And our on-card, Traquan Smith for the Saints. $99 of $199. All right, we'll go Immaculate. Let me get this stuff put up so we can do our randoms when we're done. Good luck. The Broncos are crushing, aren't they, G.I. Bud Man? Empty box. Oh, there's a thick one in there. Big old thick one. Oh, wow. Peyton Manning. He's retired now. That'll go to the Colts. He played a little longer for the Colts than he did the Broncos. This is a pretty neat looking card. I don't know if I have a slide box over here. I have to go get one, huh? Lamar Jackson, 8 of 8. Lamar Jackson, 8 of 8. I guess that's cleat. Enclosed player worn material, doesn't say. I think that has to be cleat. Yeah, sneak peek. Sneaker. That's pretty cool. I gotta go get a slide box. I had got some new ones in today. That is a thick piece too. That ain't no joke. Those sneaky Ravens again. Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. Oh my goodness. Wait till you see the next one. Josh Rosen. 59 of 99. He's the Cardinals, Josh, right? Wait till you see the next one. Holy crap. 1 of 1. Nick Chubb for the damn Broncos. That is disgusting. Damn. Woo! 250 points. Kurt Benkert. 13 of 99, 3-color patch. I should have had my cheat sheet up because I don't know where he goes. Broncos, too. Kurt Benkert. Let me look him up real quick. I am not familiar with that name. I don't know about him. Did he not get drafted? I'll have to do a little bit more research on him. I don't know where he goes. What's up, Bomar? I'll put him back there. We'll do some more research. And we're going to end with a, Darius Grice, Saquon Barkley, and Rashad Penny. Triple autograph, 7 of 10. Holy crap, holy. What a box. Falcons, Amy Sue. What a box that was. Falcons. So Darius Grice is the Redskins. That's Kenny Hasty. Saquon Barkley is the Giants. That's G.I. Budman. And Rashad Penny is Seattle. That's Jay Schultze. That's a 3-way random right there. Triple autograph. That was one hell of a box of iMac. All right, let's do the jersey, then we'll do our randoms. All right, there's our leaf seal. For the Bears, Mike Singletary, inscribed Hall of Fame. Mike Singletary for the Bears in Joey's face. What? Who has the bars? Aaron and Evan. Aaron and Evan. The Bears. All right. Let's do our random. We got 900, 250, and a triple autograph. All right, so first we're going to do the Grice. All right, this is for the triple autograph. Darius Grice, Shaquan Barkley, and Rashad Penny. So we got Grice, Barkley, Penny, Grice, Barkley, Penny. Three times only. 1, 2. This is the third and final time. Grice, 3 times. All right, next one we're going to do is all the teams. Top spot gets 900, second spot gets 250. Take all 28 teams to the second randomizer. One, two. Top spot gets 900, the next spot gets 250. 3. Texans, 49ers. 3 times. Texans, 49ers. Alrighty. That break is complete. Well, that was quite a box of